Before I move on to explain this topic in Spanish, allow me to refresh your memory about articles in the English language. We have two kinds, indefinite, definite. But what does it mean? It means that these words are used with a noun when you're talking about something in general, something that is not specific. And then we use the definite article when we talk about something that we know, something specific. Pay attention to this. So I have the word, what is this? Suitcase. We have a suitcase in there. Is this the suitcase we're talking about? If that is the case, we say the suitcase, right? But if we're talking about any in general, in any store, any suitcase in the world, I would say a suitcase. Yes? What if we have more than one? Let's put another one here. What is this? Now we got two. If it's plural and we are talking about these specific guys, we would say what? Same thing. The suitcases. So notice this can be used singular, plural, same word, easy. What about any suitcases in the world? We would say some suitcases, the plural. So here we have two versions, and here we have only one. And those are our articles in English. Let's move on to Spanish. So now that we have reviewed articles in English, let's move on to Spanish. So, en español, artículos. Artículos. And yes, there are two kinds, just like English. Indefinidos and definidos. And they do exactly the same. They tell us if we are talking about something specific or if we are talking about something indefinite or in general. Now let's see how these words right here change. Before doing that, we need to remember and understand that nouns work a little differently. There are two basic features that you have to keep in mind at all times when dealing with them in Spanish. One is the gender, if it's masculine or feminine, and two, the number, if it's singular or if it is plural. Given that there are all those features, we gotta make sure that the articles actually match with the noun when we use them. Like I said, English is super easy because there's only one for singular, plural, and you don't have to worry about gender, masculine, feminine. In Spanish we do, therefore this is going to turn into 4. Check this out. If what we're talking about is specific, is definite, and is singular, we say el. It is singular and is masculine. What would be the feminine version of this? La. So it's singular, but it's feminine. Now we need the plural, but there are two plurals, right? Singular, masculine and feminine. It goes like this. The plural of el is los, so plural and masculine, and the plural of la is las, which means plural feminine. I know, a little more complex. English, Spanish. So how do you say the in Spanish? Now you know. You're going to say, well, there are 4 of them. El, la, los, las. El, la, los, las. And there you have it. Let's make an example. Autobús. Autobús. The autobus. I need to pay attention and first find out, are we saying, is this singular or plural? It is singular, there's only one. So eliminate it, eliminate it. Now, I got 2 left. Is autobus masculine or feminine? It is masculine. Eliminate it. el autobús. That's how it is. Let's do another one. Maleta. Or let's do maletas. Suitcases. Suitcases. All right. Singular or plural? It is plural. Eliminate it. Eliminate it. Is it masculine or feminine? It is feminine. Eliminate it. I have one left. Las maletas. The suitcases. Right? We know which ones we are talking about. Let's turn this into indefinite. In indefinite, it will be exactly the same. There are masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. So how do you say this? Here we go. Un, for something that is masculine and singular and indefinite. And then una, for something that is feminine and singular. What about this one? There's going to be feminine and masculine and then plural. So, unos for the plural of un. And what would be the plural of una? You're right. Unas. There you go. You have your articles, indefinite and definite. One more example. Here we go, bring again this guy. En español, ornitorrinco. It's a good word to practice. Ornitorrinco. Masculine or feminine? Remember what I told you? Most likely ending in an O, most likely it's going to be masculine. Is it singular or plural? There's no S at the end, therefore it's singular. Now, here I have to decide, am I saying the platypus or a platypus? It's up to us. So if I want to say the platypus, I will have to say el ornitorrinco. But if I want to say a platypus, I just say un ornitorrinco. And that's how it works. Let's make a plural, ornitorrincos. Un ornitorrincos is not agreeing. It is incorrect. I gotta make the article agree with the noun. How do I do that? Well, I need the plural and masculine, unos. And that is it. That's it. Now it's all in your hands. The secret: be patient, be ready to make mistakes, and practice, practice, practice. Subscribe if you like.